All right, it's spring here in Georgia, finally. And like a lot of people, you may not have uncovered your grill for months, right? This grill has been covered since last fall. It was at one of our employees' houses, and we went and got it because she's like, oh my God, look at my grates. So this is really common when you cover a grill for a long period of time. Covers can sometimes not be your friend. So there's big moisture in here, right? These grates are not ruined. In fact, we'll clean them up in no time. I'm gonna scrape them up, use the brush, do all that, put them into a soak, then we'll show you what we got when we're done. But these are fine. I'm just gonna get all this mold back into the grill because we're gonna run this grill nice and hot too. In fact, these are gonna clean up beautifully, actually. So these are just gonna get a little bit of a soak. But don't let mold, don't throw your grates out. Just clean them right up. You'll be surprised. We'll come back with these out of the sink and we're gonna turn on this RecTeq, get her nice and hot, burn everything off, and it'll be back to new again. Get this thing running. It hasn't run for a while either. Probably since I'm already dirty, gonna take a peek and see what's going on down there. Okay. Well, she did use it a good bit. Just use my hands because we don't have a shop back here. Oh yeah, Megan did run this pretty well. Oh, I just told on Megan. I'm just going to give these a nice gentle soak. Get it all nice and foamy in there. This is going to soak for probably 15-20 minutes. About 20 minutes, we'll come back and give them a good scrub. I just want to get everybody underwater. You notice I turned one of them upside down so I didn't have to be so deep. Look at that. Just for good measure, I'll go ahead and get the back here. This is our scrubby, by the way, and it's not a bad little tool. Just stand it up there. These grates will be 100% again in about 5 minutes. The grill's already hot out there. Right in there. Not bad, huh? They cleaned up pretty darn good. Right in the center. A little wet from the fizzle. I'm just going to go ahead and give it this, and then I'm going to go get that our commercial brush just for a second. Great stuff. In fact, once this grill's cooled off, what do you see what we do on the outside of this grill with our GrillGrate cleaner? It works as well outside of the grill as it does in. These are clean, baby. Look at that. See a little bit there. What we get. These grates are as good as new. So is this grill. Yeah, see, that's great. All that moisture's burning off. Those grates look tremendous. Now I put them in there a little wet, so they're steaming a little bit. All right. Those grates are ready for food. You know, you keep forgetting how much smoke this grill puts out. I would say most of that smoke is from the pellets. That's fabulous. So we got the inside of the grill in good shape. Now we're going to go after the outside. So I'm going to turn this off.